In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Broker Search. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate the broker tools on Myfxbook and filter for the trading conditions that matter to you, all without getting lost or overwhelmed. First, open your browser and go to myfxbook.com. This is a well-known analytics platform for traders, and we're heading straight to the area that helps you compare Forex brokers. At the top of the site, look for the main menu and click on Brokers. This takes you into the Broker section where the comparison tools live. Next, choose one of the available tools, such as Forex Brokers or Forex Spreads. If you want a broad overview of brokers and their key details, the Forex Brokers page is a great starting point. If you're specifically interested in how tight or variable pricing might be, the Forex Spreads page focuses on spread data across different symbols. Either option is designed to help you compare brokers based on trading conditions, so pick the one that best matches what you're trying to evaluate. Once you're inside the broker search page, it's time to put the filters to work. You'll see filter options that let you refine the list so you only see brokers that fit your needs. Start with the broker name field if you already have a company in mind. Typing a name here can instantly narrow the results. Then look at the trading platform filter and choose the platform you prefer, like MT4, MT5, or CTrader. Selecting the right platform helps ensure the broker supports the tools and features you rely on. Next, set your preferences for spread and commission. The spread is the difference between the bid and ask price, and tighter spreads can reduce your trading costs, especially if you trade frequently. Commissions are fees charged on top of spreads, often per lot or per side, so use this filter to target the cost structure that matches your style. Finally, use the regulation filter to focus on brokers supervised by specific regulatory bodies. This is helpful if you want to see firms that operate under particular jurisdictions or compliance standards. After choosing your filters, click Search or Apply. The page will refresh to show matching brokers, making it easier to compare like for like. If the results feel too broad or too narrow, adjust a filter and apply again until you get a clean, useful shortlist. That's it. Go to Myfxbook. Open the Brokers section, pick the tool that suits your goal, set your filters for name, platform, spread, commission, and regulation, then apply to see your results. Keep refining until you find the best match for your trading needs.